Alrighty, so that was about 3 minutes and 53 seconds to solve this part. Not too shabby, especially getting back into it after a busy week of not using SolidWorks. That said, a couple things I could change. So first off, and if we go back into our first sketch here, one thing that I did was I drew in this bolt circle initially, and part of that was because there were a bunch of diameter dimensions going on right away when I looked at the print. So I just said, I'm just going to put these diameters down right away so that I don't have to go hunting for them later. And also so that I can tell which one's the inside, the middle, and the outside circle. So I didn't see bolt circle right away. I saw the 81 diameter down here, and it's okay, I'll put that one in. Where's my next diameter? Okay, it's that one. Okay, then there's a radius, so double that, get the diameter. Cool. The main thing was just getting this horizontal line. I probably should have just made a line all the way across, and then just dimensioned that and trimmed away the inside. Rather than having to make one line, then trim to the other side, and also pick up that coincident relation, which you saw tweaked my model right away. The other thing I could do while I was in here is, because these holes, these main holes go from the side, I could just do this all within the same sketch. I didn't need to separate it out into another sketch. I was just so focused on getting this overall profile. Again, the other thing is just picking up that slot from the side. Initially I thought it was going to be a top-down slot, then I looked at the isometric view a little bit closer and saw that no, this is actually coming in from the side and it's going all the way through. So that was something to pick up on as well. Just a little bit more attention to detail. These drafted faces are also pretty straightforward to do. I just used a single side cut extrude there, just getting those 6-degree angles and then making sure that they fully intersect the model just by bringing it all the way up, making sure I have one open contour rather than having two separate ones. Again, I could also just do a single one, cut, extrude, and then mirror it over to the other side. But in this case, I just opted to make one open profile. So for the next go around, again, we're going to model these all in the same sketch. Again, still approaching it with those center line or with all three circles, just dropping in and then trimming away what we don't need. And then this time I'm going to also add in a horizontal line. So let's see how much faster that makes us.